Now let's look at this question number 40 for WAEC Chemistry 2018. The law of definite proportions states that A. Pure samples of the same compound contain the same elements combined in the same proportion by mass. B. Pure samples of substances are in the same proportion by mass. C. Chemical compounds are pure because they contain the same elements. D. Matter can neither be created nor destroyed. So when you check out this textbook on the laws of chemical combination, we'll be able to see that we have some laws there. We have number 1 law, the law of conservation of mass, which says that matter or mass, law of conservation of matter cannot be created nor destroyed. That is this. So this cannot be the law. So we also have the laws, other laws like law of definite proportion, law of other laws. So but the one that we are considering today is the law of definite proportions. And what is the statement of this law? The statement is that pure samples of the same compound contain the same elements combined in the same proportion by mass. That is the statement of the law of definite proportion, and that makes A the correct option and answer. This other two, pure samples of substance are in the same proportion by mass, this is wrong. And also chemical compounds are pure because they contain same element, this is also wrong statement and cannot be said to be attributed to this law of definite proportion. So the right statement of the law of definite proportion is that pure samples of the same compound contain the same elements combined in the same proportion by mass. So if you have pure sample of HCl, whether you're getting it here or you're getting it in America, you bring another pure sample of HCl and you got it from your village, provided that both of them are pure, the proportion of combination, if it is 1:1 for this one, the one you got in the USA, it will also be 1:1 from the one you got from China. So the mass proportion has to be the same no matter where they are from, provided that they are pure. Provided that they are what? Pure. Very, very important. Provided that they are pure. Thank you.